Okay, so Christian, Bob, if you had to pick a person who's the most strict out of me
You.
or Auntie, I mean, who am I, Corella DeVille?
So you know me as Malika, but today I am Auntie Malika because I'm with Khadijah's kiddos, my niece and nephews, to do one of my favorite things with them, which is bake cupcakes. So subscribe below so that you don't miss this episode and future episodes. Over there is B3. Bobby, say hi.
Hi.
This is Christian. Say hello.
Say what's up.
And this is Celine. Say hi, Mama. I think they're just anxious for cupcakes, so we'll just get right into it. You said what? Your booty pants?
Booty pants.
Okay. Whatever
Those are
that
my
is.
kids.
Today we are going to make confetti cupcakes because we think it's really fun to make anything creative out of sugar, you know, for the candy fiends over here. So, Celine, do you want to start by pouring the batter into the bowl?
Okay, then you guys can put the little paper
Do you
trays
need
in
help?
this.
Let's start by you pouring the mixture into the bowl.
Do you need two hands?
So guys, am I your favorite aunt?
Yes.
Just thought I'd get that out the way.
Of course.
Thanks, Boo. I think these kids are like professional bakers, actually.
Well, they do this with their dad all the time.
I do
They
that.
love baking with
I-
dad
I
What's crazy?
and Auntie.
I mostly
Selena
do
makes
this.
them. Yeah.
You
Oh.
mostly, and Ema, that's
I
right.
wash the dishes with me, Mom.
And you wash the dishes.
Okay.
See, that's the key, Celine. You gotta get the kids to bake with you in the kitchen, but you gotta get them to clean. Good job, Grandma, right? Okay, what are you doing
hands.
now, Celine? Tell everybody what you're doing now.
Say pouring oil.
Oil.
Pouring
Oil.
oil, sorry.
Oil.
Pouring oil. Oh, you're making fun of me, huh?
Oreo oil.
As long as you're having fun, I don't care.
Pouring the oil.
Oil.
Okay,
Go ahead.
Go ahead, pour the Oreo.
Pour the
Oreo.
oil.
Oreo.
Oreo.
Awesome.
You want Oreos now?
Is lit.
The cool kid.
Wow, boy.
What do you need in this? You need 3 eggs, right?
So you guys don't really want to do anything else? You just
Whoa.
want to eat
Yes,
cupcakes
Christian
in the
wants to
end?
crack an egg.
I'll break an egg on.
So you want to come over here and crack an egg?
Yo, you know what?
Wild.
Job, Sal.
Wild, your little brother.
Try not to get any
whoa.
shells in there.
Not on your fancy shirt.
We only need
Would
3,
you like
so-
to, do you want to come around and help and crack an egg?
Joe's not good.
Careful.
How's 2?
Okay.
I know, but your brother's gonna do the 3rd one.
Okay.
Hold on, there's gonna be egg yolk all over you.
Okay. Just good. See that? It's cracked.
Just
Perfect.
keep it here.
There.
Everyone wash their hands, right?
Don't drop the shell, Chris.
I don't think you can see it. It's covered in yolk.
Can I help you?
No.
I think you got it, buddy. I think you got it. The point
Technically
is-
not allowed to say anything. This is an auntie moment.
It's fine. Worse things have happened.
Guys, ew, egg yolk is in there.
What's gonna be even more disgusting is when your hair ends up in your cake batter. Come on, Rapunzel. Christian, Bob, if you had to pick a person who's the most strict out of me
You.
Mom.
or Auntie, I mean, who am I, Corella DeVille?
Auntie's never you.
I love you, but you're strict,
You
Mom.
are so strict. Auntie's always
Strict means I love you, by the way.
No.
And I spoil them so I don't love them. Don't you guys disagree with that?
Well, they didn't call you strict, so you don't know what this shoe feels like.
It's fine. Maybe you should take a page out of my book.
Oh, it's about to be your turn, babe. Just wait. Are you gonna do the mixer too?
You gotta hold the bowl at the same time.
I just like the sprinkles.
Do you guys think it's weird that your mom and your aunts look alike? Or do you guys just think it's weird when other people can't tell us apart?
Don't put it back in the bowl, okay?
Honestly, I mean, when people can't tell, I find it very funny. Because they get confused and it's funny to see how they react to like twins, honestly. But like I grew up knowing you all, so it's like, it's,
Yeah, it's all you
it's
know.
like, I already know.
What about you, Christian?
None.
That's all you have to say is none.
Cool.
I don't even think that answers the question properly.
I don't even know what to say. I forgot.
You want to re-ask your question because
I said, do you
Celine
think,
doesn't even know what
do
she
you
said.
think it's weird that your auntie and your mommy look alike?
No.
Or do you think it's,
Questions?
huh?
Some more questions?
She got ice on.
You want a different question? You don't like that question?
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's
Can
not-
I ask you a
it's not-
question? Do you like cake batter raw or do you like actual cooked cupcakes? Because you look like you're really enjoying this.
No.
You like it better
Raw.
raw. I'm getting a worm.
Who is stronger?
Who is stronger than who?
The twins?
Oh.
You said who is stronger? You've never called us the twins. That's funny.
Wait, so who won in that race that one time you guys did a few years back?
Oh, for
You
sure I
guys
won.
won?
I'm much faster than your mother.
I'm not
She
faster
just-
than-
I still haven't seen that
She
video.
simply
Much faster
remembers
than
it
you
how
are.
she wanted it to end.
So you won.
Totally won. I totally
Don't
won.
you
Barefoot,
inside the
no.
video?
If I wasn't pregnant, I would raise your mother right now and put her to shame. That's all I'm
I
telling
think she's
you.
very lucky she's pregnant.
What's that?
Wouldn't you
No,
like
there's
four?
a Christian has the scooper. Let's use the
Oh,
scooper. It's
okay,
cleaner.
Okay. Yeah, maybe rinse that off. These have been some.
Think so?
Can I have that?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you want mom has it.
Thank you.
Of
sir.
course, he chooses to hand it to Auntie. Look at that. You saw it first. I am chopped liver compared to Auntie.
Me and the kids have the most epic Nerf gun wars. We blast music and bring every Nerf gun that these kids own. I even have a pretty dope one myself.
Yeah.
What is mine? The
Chewbacca.
V?
Did a little cheat gun,
Mine
but
the
then
X200. Mine's an automatic. I don't play.
but me, Christian got you with the big red ones, and you were like, we
Yeah,
came
when you
downstairs
start
with two big
popping
guns.
me in the
Right.
face.
Oh yeah.
This kid hit me right in the eye with a Nerf, and when they tell you Nerfs don't hurt, get hit in the eyeball, okay? Change your whole life and vision, literally.
You want to use the scooper too, B3, or you want to use like a spoon? You want to use a
Us
scooper?
together, nobody beats us.
Yeah, I tried to scoop
Me
it.
and
I've never
you?
scooped it before.
No, me and him.
You and your brother.
Should I?
I was gonna say we're not. We're I was
Maybe.
gonna say we're never on teams. We're gonna go down. Perfect. Now you can try to drop in there.
Squeeze it. What is it? Oh.
Good.
job.
Say, mommy, we got this.
Good job.
What do you want to be when you get older?
Football player.
Oh, just like dad, huh?
Shock.
But okay, so what position would you like to play? Because actually, I've asked you that question times in your life, and you've given me many different answers.
Offense.
You used to want to be a fireman.
Oh, I remember that.
Remember when you wanted to be a fireman? B3, what would you like to be, or when you get older, what would you like to do as a career? Because we all have to have one, just so you know.
Right.
It's not optional in this family.
Basketball.
Right. As of now, maybe basketball because I'm on the basketball team. So my main focus is basketball and school. So other than that, I'll see. I like to try other things too along the way. But as
Like,
of now,
what? Give me an example.
well, like modeling, maybe try music. Maybe.
Well, you are
You're
tall,
so
sweetheart.
handsome.
Yeah, you know.
Tall and
What do you
handsome.
say? When you say the ladies love you, I'm gonna fly over there.
They do. Man.
Don't be jealous, Mom.
I am. So what? Leave me alone.
looking.
Always backs me up.
Good looking's
Like,
good looking. I see you, baby. I see you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Smile on.
Yeah.
And just be really good to the ladies because that will embarrass me. Our cupcakes are ready. We've got all of our toppings. Everyone gets to pick a frosting that they desire. What would you like, B3? Like, what's your favorite color? Blue. We've got
There's kind
three
of two
different
different
colors.
colors.
What you
Light or
thinking?
dark?
I'll try the light one.
Okay.
Okay. And what about you?
Like for you?
What's your favorite
What would you
color?
like?
You like yellow? Pink?
What are you guys, twins?
Yellow. Pink, white, and
Yeah. Okay.
You're twins?
Oh, okay.
Same here.
Celine must have three. That's my girl.
Okay.
If you get options, take them all. Go ahead and slide in, guys.
Yeah, get in.
Come on, long
Sure.
arms.
Dig in.
You can make one
good
for me.
idea. Will you make one for Auntie?
What is that?
I actually have a good question for you guys, which I know I kind of asked you this already, but how do you guys feel about Auntie finally giving you a cousin?
Well, it only took you 10 years. That's the thing.
This is the truth.
So Christian, are you happy that the 10 years are up, or?
Yeah, I'm happy because I want a cousin
Do
to
you-
play with. And when he gets to age 4 or 5, I will start tackling him.
You're gonna tackle my baby at 4. I will remember to always leave a monitor with
Thanks,
you
my force.
and my child. Thank you. 3, are you
But we're
happy?
gonna play football, you know.
Okay, can we do a touch?
Christian.
Oh, let him be. Let him live, Mom. Let him live.
I'm just gonna clean up as
It's
they
just
go.
we're gonna clean up anyway. Let him
All over our
live.
floors, man. What you doing?
It doesn't matter. That's why we have vacuums.
Okay.
It's not that deep.
Nothing's ever that deep.
You're just
when
gonna
dealing
clean
with
up.
Auntie.
You're just gonna clean up all day. He's gonna do it again in 5 seconds. Leave him.
Maybe a pinch versus a like fistful.
That's his cupcake.
That
Maybe
could
he
help.
wants a fistful.
How do I even bother
Sorry.
saying anything at all?
3. What?
Why
are
do I
you happy?
bother?
Oh, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Celine, what about you? Are you excited to get a baby cousin? What do you want? What do you want Auntie to have? A boy or a girl?
Boy.
Yeah. And what do you guys want me to name him?
Christian.
That.
Okay.
Of course.
I have to say something about that.
What?
Come on.
No, I know, but I just don't.
Hold the
care. It's
cupcake
fine.
too, so it doesn't.
He's enjoying himself. He's not hurting anyone.
Here.
Did you want
Why
some?
don't you use those
Look,
for
there's
the
another
other
tray.
cupcake?
Do you want to try this one too? I'm sure that cupcake's gonna be delicious, Christian. We can always put the rest back that he's not using. Christian, I don't know about him naming him the same thing as you. I think that your name is very unique and it's special because it's yours. So why don't we give him another name?
Wanna make another one?
What
That's
about James?
you like James.
James.
I don't know.
You just throwing it out there.
Throw that out there.
What about you, Celine? What do you want to name your cousin?
Chris.
Christian's not letting go. He's like, anything close to my name. If it's a girl, you want her name to be Christina? Anything close to yours?
So,
Yeah.
I believe that cupcake making is their own creative expression. I don't monitor their cupcakes. They decorate them, put as much as they want on them. Christian always eats out of the container and mixes things up. That's a part of his creative expression. I don't get involved. I let him do his thing. It's just candy and cupcakes. It ain't that deep. We normally end up doing all the cupcakes, so whenever they have company, they have something, a sweet treat to offer to someone. These children are very thoughtful and they always think about other people. So we always make enough for everyone, right guys?
yes, ma'am.
Well, at least Bobby's paying attention.
Right?
Is it strange to have a mom and an aunt that look the same, yes, but also we have like a different type of career. So sometimes when we're out, you used to not like this very much.
Get
He
the
takes
sprinkle off
pictures,
the
right?
baby's face.
When they try, I remember he didn't like when people would take pictures with you.
Yeah, he used
I
to
don't
be
know why,
very
but that was-
uncomfortable. Well, why was that, Christian?
Christian still doesn't like it. Right?
You don't like when mommy
He's fine
takes
with it.
pictures with people?
He doesn't like it.
Why not?
I don't want to share my mom.
Yeah, but it's just for a picture though. It's not like you get to take me home. You came out of my belly. Like it's just, we have to share. In life, we have to share. See, I'm a twin, so I've always shared. That's all I know is sharing. So I'm always gonna tell you that you have to share. And you only have to share a little bit of mommy. Why are you mixing the colors, son?
Honestly,
Because it's his creative
Nice talk.
expression.
But I don't
Yes.
really find it strange. Though. That's
Do
all.
you think it's strange that people can't tell us apart?
That's one thing I kind of find strange when they can't like, you know, tell.
Twins
which is
are
which.
just hard. It's not just me and mom. If you had to pick only 2 careers, right? You only have 2 choices. If you had to be an actor or a football player, which one would you choose?
Football.
Ooh.
Ooh, what about you, Celine? Do you know, babe?
Well, she's not going to be a football player.
Well, mommy kind of wanted to be.
You can't even get a question out without Christian. She's not gonna be.
You want to be a what?
player.
Football player.
A singer. Hold on, Auntie, she's answering you. I think
Celine,
we
what
got
would
an
you like to
answer.
be, baby?
Singer.
A singer?
Singer.
She gave
Okay,
you an
do
option
you want to
that
be?
you did not.
That, but you know what?
Yeah, that
I love that you think out of the box, kid.
G3 made a creature.
You like that like that?
Made a creature.
Made a creature.
That's pretty good. It is. It's
You like-
definitely a creature.
Celine,
Let's
can
put
I
it up
use,
there?
I'm gonna use
It's
this
done.
yellow really quickly. It's gonna be very fast.
She's gonna have to be focused on the baby.
I will always do things with you, Christian. Always.
Follow me.
I promise. I will always do
you
things
weren't
with you
questioning.
guys.
What if you're 66?
Well, I won't be 66 for a really long time, and when I'm 66, my kid will be pretty old too.
How old are you going to be? 36?
What, my baby?
Yes.
Mm, he might be older than that. I mean, you know, I'm not that old, honey. That's like in 30 years. So that means my baby will be almost 30 years old. So let's not age me faster than necessary, deal? I honestly love quality time with the kids. It doesn't matter what we're doing, it's always a good time. So comment below and let us know what are the fun things that you love to do with your nieces and nephews or your own children. I would love to hear some of the cool things that you guys like to do with kids, whether you're auntie or mommy. Auntie will always be one of my most honored titles, and I will always have quality time with these kids no matter what, because it's my favorite thing to do.